why do so many people get increased disc pain for sitting long periods, or the longer you sit, the more sciatica you get, right? Here's why. If we're in a rounded position, sometimes with some people, they associate that disc coming out, that disc herniation coming out as they're rounding forward like this. The reason why sitting up tall can be so effective is because as you go into extension, look, that goes away. As we get taller, that pressure goes away. Now, it's not this simple, but this is why sitting upright might feel better than being slouched forward. But ultimately, movement is the most effective piece. So what you should do is you should sit tall for 10, 20 minutes and then round 10, 20 minutes if you want to, if that feels good. And then sit tall again and then round. Frequency of movement is the key, but this is why sitting in the same position for long periods can sometimes aggravate those disc issues a little bit.